Hi guys, welcome back to my Python data analysis series. So today I'm going to discuss about what is hash type. Hash type is a method available on Panda DataFrame and Series. It is the primary function is to convert the data type of the element within the object, data frame or series. You can use hash type to convert individual column, multiple columns, simultaneously or entire data frame. So guys, basically first method I'm going to discuss about, uh, converting a single column by using Astype. Astype guide basically it is actually available in the Panda library series, and it is primary function to convert data type of the element within the object. Like for example, if you want to convert the data type, in the data frame we have the data type. Suppose these are the data frames. I want to convert the data type for this one elements. So if you can use Astype to convert individual column or multiple columns simultaneously, you want to convert single column or multiple columns simultaneously or entire data frame. So you can utilize the Astype. Okay, this is right now I'm showcasing method on converting a single column. So if you want to convert a single column, so basically I'm utilizing importing Panda as a PD, importing NumPy as a LP. I'm importing the libraries. These are two major libraries for Python data analysis, guys. Now I'm creating one variable. I'm calling the library with the data frame. So this is the data frame which I mentioned here, column 1, and this is the elements. Okay, and same for the column 2, I mentioned true, false, true, and for column 1, 10 ABC 30. Now, so guys, I'm doing here filtering for the excluding ABC. Why? Because here major issue I will facing, like, whenever I am trying to convert, it give some issues with the data type for the ABC. So basically, I'm just filtering row where column 1 can convert to numeric excluding ABC. So I'm creating one more variable and I'm calling the data frame, whatever I created, PD to numeric. Okay, PD to numeric, this numeric function, df column 1, error coverage, not all, not any. Filter based on successful conversion. So I'm just filtering only successful guys. I don't want error kind of things. Now, after doing this one filtering, where column 1 can be converted to numeric excluding ABC. I don't want to convert the excluding ABC. I'm simple converting only integer value. So now df column to hash type as integer. Okay. So basically in the data frame, I'm going to convert. Now, if I'm executing this one, I'm getting this is the output. So 0, column 1, column 2, 10, 30, true, false. Okay. So this is the major thing which we can utilize with help of Astype Panda library guys. Okay. And now coming about like here second example, define dictionary to map a column to target type. Okay. So guys, here what I'm doing, I'm creating one dictionary. Column 1 has an integer, column 2 has a string. So apply Astype conversion using dictionary campus. So this is the way data frame. I'm calling the data frame hash type dictionary. I'm calling this variable here. I'm passing it as an argument. Now printing this one, so it is converting into target data type, guys. For my define a dictionary to map column name to target data type. So basically, right now I'm executing this code. Now it is going to convert. So we can define. Basically I'm defining the dictionary as type dictionary has that map the column name column 1 to column 2 to the desired types integer to string. Okay, desired type is integer and string. Now we can use type. Okay, data frame dash type method. Type, I'm passing the dictionary here to perform the conversion based on the dictionary. The modified data frame is printed showing the changes of the both column. Okay, so this is about the define a dictionary to map column to target data type. Okay, so now one more example, converting by name. Convert a column into integer, column 2 to lowercase string. So this is one example, guys. df as type column 1 and int and column 2 has string now, but similar to option 1, but data types are specified directly as hash type method. String lower chain, it convert all string into data frame to lowercase. But guys, whenever I'm executing, I'm getting this error. Okay, so invalid letter for integer with base 10. Basically, I'm using here string, guys. Okay, that's the reason throwing an error in the. Okay, so here in this data frame, I'm getting this error. So I want to fix this one. So what I will do, I have recreated this code with help of this one. So PD data frame column 1, 10 ABC 30, column 2, 2 false true. So I just utilized with the other example, another data frame I have created. So basically with help of try a catchy exception, I can, with help of try exception, I can handle this one. So handling potential error during data type conversion, I have created one function, guys. With help of def keyword, I created Python function, handle conversion and passing an argument, this argument, data frame. Try data frame column 1 p2 dot numeric data frame. If I'm converting column 1 to integer, replace error with nan, not a number. So I'm replacing column 1 equal to np dot nan. Convert num2 to lowercase string. So one more df column 2 hash type string to lowercase, return df. So apply data conversion with error handling. So I'm applying the data conversion error handling. I'm calling one function handle error function, this one, and apply the df copy method. Copy a data frame to avoid a modifying original. So guys, actually here what I'm doing, whenever you have dictionary with multiple column, the different data type are by name, specify column by hash type offer flexibility handling various type data type like integer, flow string, boolean well, and data type. So you can verify the the official site of the panda.pd data type, you can get more information. So basically in this example, I have utilized a try exception. I want to handle if any errors are throwing. So I want to replace with the column, replace with error with nan. So I just utilize the df column np.nan. So basically then second here exception I am converting df to hash type string. Now we have replaced it with whenever trying to convert to integer, guys. Okay. So this is the I have replaced it with the column 1 values 10. Okay. And what about other value true, false, true, right? So these are the strings, guys. So I hope this is like just aware of how to use hash type method in the Python data analysis. Thank you, guys.